Hello guys, this is Josh Consults. I'm bringing you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu, Nigeria. So today I am in this beautiful property, sitting on a 400 square meter plot of land. Yes, it is a 3-bedroom contemporary bungalow located right here at emene. It's a very habitable area. It's a buy and build area. As you can see, houses over there, around there too. You see houses surrounding this particular place. So I will show you the drive-through video why we go out also. So this property, as you can see, is a contemporary 3-bedroom bungalow currently at emene, Enugu State. So I would want you to sit back and watch this video to the end, and so you can see the inside of this video. Around that side we have the water tank, and at the back there we have the well. So they usually pump water from the well down to the tank. As you can see, this is the tank. This is the tank. And if you don't want to be pumping from the well, you can also employ the service of a tanker man, right? So now let's go inside. As you can see, this area is the foyer, right? Comes with this beautiful drop light here. It comes with this beautiful drop light. This is the foyer, and which leads to the parlor, the living room. So this is the living room. As you can see, this is the living room. Very spacious enough, at least, to be able to accommodate your cushion. This area is the visitor's toilet. So I want you to see how the visitor's toilet looks. So your visitor does not have to access your room to use anything. Now this is the dining area. This is the dining area. And it leads us also to the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. They all have POP around. You can see they all have POP around. This is the kitchen area, although they are yet to fix the sink and the wash and basin and the cabinets. Here is the veranda that leads outside also. Leads outside, and then we have a store. This is a storeroom right here in this particular property. Now here leads to this is the lobby that connects your 3 rooms. As you can see, this is the lobby that connects your 3 rooms. Over here is the kitchen door, then with 3 other rooms. So now let's check this first room. You can see it's a very sizable room. This is a 10, it should be up to 10 by 10 feet, or either a 12 by 10 feet. 6, it's a 10 by 10 feet room size, and this is the convenience. As you can see right here, they fixed this one, and this is the shower, and here is the wash and sink. I love this particular bungalow because it's very portable. See the lights that was used, see the POP that was used. You can actually put your tape light here that will show different colors while you on them. And here also is the second room. All of them are all the same sizes. I love the fact that this has 2 windows here. So it's very beautiful, and I love the fact that they screeded walls and all of that. So it has its own convenience over here. This is the convenience here. Now let's move to the last room. This is it. The last room. This is the toilet, and then this is the major room. As you can see, this is the major room. So it comes with a POP also, and you can put your tape light around Oh, I think they've done that, Seth. I think they've done that. So this property is currently on the market for 35 million naira, and I believe it's something that you love. I believe it's something that you love. You can stay with your family. It's a very habitable area. It's in a very habitable area. Yeah, I believe your family will love this. Even if you don't want to live here, you can actually buy and put it out for rent. Yes, the rental value of properties around there. Why I love this particular building is that it's a personal compound, right? So you don't have these neighbor issues and all of that. So it's just personally for you. So the rental value of properties right here for a 3-bedroom flat that is not even a separate compound is about 600k, 700k per year. You can also see 500k, but depends on how the finish is, depends on the area it is. But this particular area now, you will see for 700,000, you'll see for 600,000. So you want to call the number you see on your screen for purchase of this particular bungalow immediately. Thank you.